If your support inbox is a free-for-all where emails, social messages, and web forms all look identical, your team is spending time sorting instead of solving. In the next 60 seconds, you will learn how to set up Zendesk triggers that tag every ticket by channel the moment it arrives. When tickets arrive with no channel label, your agents have to open each one just to find out where it came from. High-priority social messages get buried under email volume. Response times suffer, and nothing gets routed to the right person automatically. Tagging tickets by channel gives your team 4 immediate wins: instant visibility into your busiest channels, automatic routing of social tickets to social agents, per-channel analytics for CSAT and resolution time, and tailored auto-replies that match the tone of each channel. Before you start, you need Zendesk admin access to manage business rules, a rough plan for your tag names like email, web_form, or social, and about 15 minutes. No developer help, no custom code, just the Zendesk Admin Center. Log into Zendesk and head to the Admin Center. On the left sidebar, go to Objects and Rules, then Business Rules, then Triggers. This is where all your ticket automation rules live, and where you will build the channel tagging logic. Click the blue Create Trigger button in the top right corner. Give your trigger a clear, descriptive name using a consistent format. Something like tag, tickets by channel, email, or auto tag. Web form makes it easy to manage as you add more channels later. Under Meet All Conditions, add 2 rules. First, ticket is created, so the trigger fires only on new tickets. Second, channel is, then pick the specific channel. Email, web form, or X. This combination ensures only tickets from that exact source get tagged. Scroll to the Action section and click Add Action. Select Add Tags from the drop-down, then type in your tag. Keep tag names lowercase with underscores for spaces. Email_support, web_form, or social. These become the labels your views and routing rules rely on. Click Create Trigger to save. To test it, send an email to your support address, then open the resulting ticket in Zendesk. You should see your new tag applied in the Tags field. If it works, repeat the process for every other channel you want to track. A few things to keep in mind as you build out your triggers. Create 1 trigger per channel rather than combining logic into one complex rule. Put specific triggers at the top since Zendesk processes them in order. Check that your triggers do not conflict, and audit the list periodically as your team grows. Channel tags are a great starting point, but they only tell you where a ticket came from, not what it is about. When your team needs to understand ticket intent automatically, set priority, or route by topic rather than channel, that is when AI triage becomes the better tool. Eesel AI connects to Zendesk with 1 click and does everything triggers cannot. It reads the content of each ticket, understands the intent, sets priority, routes to the right group, and suggests a resolution without any manual review. You can run it in simulation mode first to see exactly how it would have handled your existing tickets. Start with channel tagging triggers today for an instant inbox improvement, and try eesel AI free for 7 days at eesel.ai when you are ready to take routing to the next level. No credit card required.